Illegal MMA moves that should be legal in the UFC. Starting off with the knee to a grounded opponent, there is no reason you should be able to sit down or take a knee and not be at danger. It does not make sense for a fighter to be safer on their knees than they are on their feet. If a fighter is submitting themselves like this and taking a knee and sitting down, there should be no reason that the fighter standing cannot use a knee to hurt them and punish them for doing so, even if it is against the cage. Next is the up kick from the bottom when a fighter is still on the ground. This happened in the Juliana Pena versus Kayla Harrison fight this past Saturday, and there is no reason that this should not be legal. It is up to the person on top to defend themselves when they are on top. You have an advantageous position, and you are not defending yourself and keeping yourself safe. Either get in the guard, pass the guard, and if you're going to sit up like this, you are at risk to get hit. It should be allowed for the person on bottom to defend themselves with this if the person on top allows them to do so. It is nothing wrong. Third is soccer kicks. Jose Aldo is the most notorious guy when it comes to soccer kicks if you watch his older fights. When a fighter is down, you should be able to kick their head. There should be no reason. The same thing with the knee to the grounded opponent, that a kick to a grounded opponent is not legal. You cannot be safe if you're down there. I do not like how MMA protects fighters for literally sitting down and keeping themselves away from standing shots like this. Kicks and knees to grounded opponents should be legal no matter what. And lastly, the spike, or the pile driver as they call it. 2 titles have actually been won by this, but this is apparently an illegal move. So hopefully they just rectify it because it's being used. The 2 most notorious ones being Bilal Muhammad against Leon Edwards and Jessica Andrade against Rose Namajunas, where Rose actually got knocked out with it. I don't understand why there's a problem with this. If a fighter doesn't know how to fall with a takedown, that's their fault. Yes, you can choose how you fall with a takedown. Demetrius Johnson was talking about it. A lot of grapplers talk about it, where if you're being taken down, it is up to you to choose how you fall. And if you don't learn how to fall, you could just succumb to stuff like this. And again, defend the takedown, learn how to fall, learn how to protect yourself as you're going down, or you just suffer through this. It is what it is. This should not be illegal.